Good morning, dear teacher and classmates. Today I will talk about my fundraising event. We are going to have a car wash to help homeless animals because they don't have a home and food. We are going to wash cars at 10 soles each. We are going to sell cookies at 5 soles each. We are going to offer dog walking service. You could donate animal food. You could donate money. You could participate in the bingo. The car wash is going to be next Friday at 9 a.m. in the park. Come to the car wash, help homeless animals, and feel great.